Hi everyone, this is Cyrus Vincent, your premier property specialist here at the Valaris Residences. And what an unforgettable weekend it has been. The guests were welcomed with elegant cocktails and refreshments, the perfect start to a vibrant showcase of proudly local brands. From timeless timepieces by Argos Philippines, stylish bags by the School of Satchel, to stunning cultural wear by Cordillera Couture, every booth offered something truly unique. And yes, I even tried on some of their newest collections. The event also featured two inspiring talks. First by renowned interior designer Ina Santamaria, who shared design insights that captured Filipino elegance, and then by scent expert Oscar Mejia, who took us on a journey of Filipino-inspired fragrances. We wrap up the day with a basic perfume workshop, and let me tell you, it was such a refreshing sensory experience. All these and more only at the Valaris Residences, where luxury living meets intentional design. See you at the next one.